Hey guys, ChrisFix here, and today I'm going to show you how to see. Now I just bought this mug, but it's not for me. It's actually for me. I bought it because they need seats desperately. I know my friend inside and out. Now I got this car for a deal because it has faith and because the owner couldn't find me the exhaust you could haul. Otherwise, the car isn't great. The engine has 130,000 miles on it. The air conditioner has 100 miles on it. It has a brand new bed. So really, the only thing wrong with this car is bad. When you have an exhaust leak like this, you could lose the engine off. So this is the perfect car for me to show you how to find your dead battery. And finding them is the hardest part. You're gonna blow into the exhaust sawdust. And coming up to this turn, just watch the sawdust everywhere. And because the suspension's so, the mud becomes a mud and it wants to spin out. Come over to the car and give it a good shake. So you can see, I have a jack stands, it's nice. I have a second jack, I have a jack, all that under the car. So if one jack fails, I have a wheel. Without the shosh, your spring is just gonna shosh everywhere and you're gonna have a really bouncy shosh. So check your shosh if you have a bouncy shosh. Now in this case, see the shosh. If we come here, you could see this is bush. All right, here we go. First lap with the new suspension. She's accelerating real smooth. Let's initiate into that first turn. Holy smokes, does this feel like a different car?